Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. I hope you're all doing well and thank you so much for stopping in to check out the video. On this channel I do gardening and maybe sometimes even some cooking and crafts, but paper crafts, and then the monthly release from Heartfelt Creations, which this month is Tender Moments collection. I have a lot of gardening and so we say outdoor updates to do. But in the meantime, I want to show you this, and I'll tell you a few of the things that have been going on. Please excuse my gardener hands because they don't look so great, but they're gardener hands. So it's been a long time since the Heartfelt Creations put out a baby collection, and this is perfect because I have a baby coming in the family, and oh my goodness, they did such a great job with the elephant. There's lots of animal images, beautiful pastels, pinks and blues and greens, a little bit of lavender, lots of mints and things like that. These are the cards that you can just pop out. Aren't they adorable? They really did a good job with the cute faces. And the pretty lace, along with the edges. And all these images are going to be showing up in their dies and their stamps for this collection. Balloons. Yeah, for those of us who like the balloons. And then of course the other side, a lovely layout page if you're putting the pictures together afterwards of the baby. And this is a beautiful pink with some of the, looks like the carnations to tell you the truth. But it could be the roses because they're not very big, so I'm going quickly here. So look at this, a little lamb and a bear, and I'm not sure, is it? Because it could be, well anyway, and a little piggy. Nice lattice, pretty flowers. And this is another one of the cards that you can cut out with all the little critters that you're going to get the stamps and dies for too if you get the whole collection. HuckleberryHerbs.com has a lot of the old Heartfelt stuff. I might actually put some of these up here, but I haven't yet. Those are the tags you can just cut out, or the sentiments if you're in a rush or you have a lot of things going on, or maybe you're trying to make invitations to a shower and know they might not all be the same, but you might be doing something where everybody gets slightly a different card, and you can use your collection to do that as well. Never mind all the gifts. Oh, there's all the critters lined up. Aren't they adorable? A little raccoon and a bunny and an elephant and a sheep or a lamb. A bear, actually has the nose of a koala bear, but they made it a light color. And then a pig and a little doe. Little Bambi. Up at the top, some of the pretty blue flowers. So there's the layout page if you want to use blues and greens. And this one's very cute. It has the two little fellas in their balloon. And the balloon is a stamp and die set as well, with the stars coming out, all the little stars. So there's been a lot of things going on here. I've been extremely busy. That's why I'm a couple days late on this. Thank you, Heartfelt, for helping me to put this up for you guys. A nice stripe. So Raspberry and Teddy, who I don't even think you've met Teddy yet. I definitely have to start putting up a lot more videos. He's our boy Havanese, and Raspberry, those of you that have been with me a while, she's our girl Shih Tzu, a Shih Tzu and a Poodle mix. They had babies, and we kept one of the babies, and his name is Yogi Bear, and he is a beautiful combination of the two of them, and he is a Havashipu. Very hard to find. I actually looked for Havashipus. I like that combination. As far as the breeds go, for health reasons, etc., etc. And he's adorable, so I'll have to put some videos up of the three of them playing together, along with their brother, who is gone on to his new home. His name was Boo Boo. Okay, so there's a pink version of all the little characters with the pink roses up at the top. And I have chickens in the backyard. I decided to get buff Orpingtons for those of you that are into chickens. Live in the Northeast, so I tried to pick something that would be faring well in our harsh winters and our hot, humid summers, which we are in the middle of right now. And my husband built a beautiful coop. I'll have to share that with you. The gardening has been, I'm going crazy with that. We have Keats, so New Guinea Keats. they're very interesting. I'll have to show you some video and pictures of those. And my little farm stand across the street has been going with plants. I love these polka dots, by the way. These are, gosh, they're almost iridescent on the film. All the different colors, and really done well. So it's not stark, it doesn't jump. It's a beautiful combination of all the different pastel colors. I love this collection. I can't wait to use it. Oh, and there's the little bear. I mean the elephant. I always am attracted to little baby elephants. Was it Dumbo? Did that do it to me? And you might recognize this from the last collection. A lovely layout page with light blue, pastel blues, pretty flowers on this side with these nice diamond shapes, perfect to line the boxes of the little gifts that you're giving, and maybe even wrap something with. This is a cute one. They're all in a cloud-like formation, floating amongst the stars. Just adorable. And this is one of the pages that you can just get to it and use your die and cut them out, so you get all the bunnies and the bears and the sheeps and the elephants and the raccoons and the pigs. And is that a different sheep? I think it's a different sheep. And the little does and some pretty little flowers. These are very well done, very delicate, and they're using up every section of the paper for that. And you got baby boy. I think on the other one you're going to see baby girl. This is a beautiful mint with the polka dots running throughout it and the lace. Just lovely. And yeah, there's the pink version with all the little characters. And baby girl. Really pretty. So we know we're getting a baby girl in the family, so I'll be using this, but I don't mind mixing the other colors as well because they're just so pretty. Some of the larger 6x6s and smaller cards. A beautiful pink. This one has little hearts and polka dots going through it. So many things you can do. Such a tough time, and if we are expecting new family members and stuff, trust me, I understand. It is a tough time right now, so making something for people to cheer them up and to send them for gifts if you can't be with them. Just wonderful. Like I said, I might put this at huckleberryherbs.com where a lot of the old stuff is, and I just haven't kept up on the store. I mean, with the dogs and school just got out a week ago. I didn't mention that. Okay, so that's lovely blue stars and polka dots. 6x6s of the larger pieces. I love this beautiful purple stripe, and again, not solid. It's got little patchy spots and places where there's a little bit more violet coming through, and then the polka dots. You know, very nice. And here's the tag page with lots of empty. They do have some welcome baby, it's a girl, little angel, it's a boy, but they've been leaving them blank. We have so many stamps for sentiments these days that a lot of people would like to just choose what they want to put in their tags. And this is a nice mint. Well, minty sagey, I would say with that. Pretty little pattern. And that's the papers. So anyway, it's been a bit rough for everybody, and I've been very busy. School just got out, and boy, teaching became much more complicated and took 7 days, 7 nights, a week. And so I'm really grateful that we made it through the school year in somewhat decent condition. Baby's air balloon. So there's the balloon. And if you want to know the size, it's very pretty to color, I think. So it's a 3.75 times 6, and it does have a baby girl and a baby boy, so that you can stamp that in the little spot here. And there is the die that goes with it. And then this is great. This is the welcome baby, so that has all of the smaller flowers that you saw on the cutout page, as well as congratulations and welcome if you don't have a lot of sentiments. I like the way that the girl and boy, they're very well designed. They're not just plain inside, so you could have some fun with some intricate coloring. And the baby. Okay, so there's all of those and the die set that would go with it. And ooh, look at this. Baby friends, there they are. There he is. Love them. So there is the die set that goes with baby friends. And there's your sizes in case you would like to see them. And it's great having these little characters, and you can put them on pop-up tape and give them some dimension. It's just so adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there is the entire collection, and if I do get some of these, I'll put them up at huckleberryherbs.com. Otherwise, you can stop by and pick up some things. And then I'm going to be expanding, because we are getting more into farming here. I'm going to be expanding my site at some point and inviting you all to come over to the more farm version of it. In the meantime, I'll try to get some videos up of the gardens, which are going berserk, and the puppies, and the Keats, and the chickens, and show you all the things that I've been very busy doing. Besides, like I said, trying to finish the school year as best I could. Hope you're all staying healthy and safe. Until next time, everybody, which I hope is very soon, this is Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. Thanks so much for watching. God bless.